lecture we will discuss about the equation of a circle, and our today's condition is that the circle is passing through 2 points and the center on a given line. So for this condition we have a question that find the equation of a circle having the join of our 2 points which is A and B, and the coordinates of a point A is x1, y1, and in a similar way the coordinates of B is x2 and y2 as our diameter. So for this, first of all, draw the given information. We have to need to find the equation of a circle, and circle having the two joins of A and B. For example, if we have our 2 points A and our point B as our diameter of a circle, if this line is our diameter of a circle, then its mean here is a center of a circle, and this is called a radius of a circle, because if it is a diameter then half of the diameter is called a radius of a circle. Means if we take this length to all the points around these 2 points is to form a circle around 2 points. So if we draw a circle on it, because these 2 points, the point A and B, are the diameter of a circle. So basically the circle is a collection of our points with a distance of the radius. So as here we are conditioned that the line AB, as the line AB is, and secondly the point C, which is we suppose a point C is, if we suppose here is our point which is our point P having coordinates x and y. So if we join the point A and P with a line or a chord. So here is the concept about a chord, that a line passing through a circle and join the 2 points of a circle is called a chord. For example, if we have a circle, so the line passing through and join these 2 points is called a chord. For example, if here this is a point and it is also a point, then the join of these 2 points is also called a chord. And for example, if we have a point here and a point here, to join these 2 points by a line is called a chord. But always remember that when a line passing through the center of the circle and meet the 2 points of a circle is called a diameter, not a chord. So here is the difference between a chord and a diameter. We join a point A and P by a line or a chord, and in a similar way we join a point P and B. Now here is a question in our mind that what we do next. Basically we use our result that we know that if we join both of the ends of a diameter to any point of a circle, then both the chords or lines are perpendicular to each other, that there is a theorem. This fact means the angle between them is 90 degree, means the line AP and the line BP is perpendicular to each other. So what we have to find it, if these 2 lines are perpendicular, then we know the condition of the perpendicularity of 2 lines is that, as we discussed detailedly in further lecture, but just for that, if we have a slope, both the slopes, if we multiply both of these slopes, it will be -1. So we use the fact. So here we use the slope of this line which is AP, and we require to find the slope of our point BP. So we find the slope which says that y minus y1 divided by x minus x1 in a similar way. So the slope of the BP says y minus y2 divided by x minus x2 by using the formula of the slope. These 2 lines are perpendicular to each other. So by using the condition of the perpendicularity of 2 lines, that if we say that the slope of this line is m1 and the slope of our point BP is m2, then means here we also added, as if we suppose this is m1 and this is m2. Multiply these 2 slopes which is equals to -1. So we basically use this fact. Just put the values of this condition of m1 and m2. So we have a value of m1 which is y minus y1 divided by x minus x1 that we already computed, multiply with the slope of another line which is y minus y2 divided by x minus x2, which is equals to minus 1. We write is y minus y1 multiply y minus y2 and divided by x minus x1 multiply x minus x2, which is equals to minus 1. So here we multiply a cross multiplication. So after this we can write it as y minus y1 multiply y minus y2 and multiply this factor with minus 1 x minus x1 multiply x minus x2. So we can write it as x minus x1 multiply x minus x2. The sign is plus because this term is plus already in this side. So y minus y1 multiply y minus y2, which is equals to 0. Just move this whole factor on this side. The final condition of a circle. Basically this is the required equation of a circle when we have a condition that a circle having the join of 2 points as a diameter. So we just suppose another point P and to compute the equation of a circle. If you like this, then don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share, and also click the bell icon.